Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short-form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Chief Minister Vice Jagan Reddy to inaugurate Machilipatnam Port construction works on Monday. Chief Minister Vice Jagan Reddy will inaugurate the Machilipatnam Port construction works at Manginapuri in Krishna district on May 22nd. It is one of the three non-major ports. Ramayapatnam in Nellore and Mulapeta in Srikakulam district are the other two, being developed by the AP Maritime Board at an estimated cost of 11,465 crore rupees, 5,253 crore rupees and 6,212 crore in the first and second phase respectively, on a total extent of 3,700 acres. Dry bulk market. Active week for Cape sizes. Overall, it has been an active week for the Capes with a healthy volume of inquiry in the Pacific. The majors have been busy throughout the week, from West Australia to China with iron ore. Operators have been fixing, and there have been several tender cargoes to Japan. Despite this volume, the market has struggled to gain any traction. A slight standoff had developed by the middle of the week, but it became apparent that towards the end of the week that owners were reluctant to ballast, which ultimately capped any upside. The Atlantic had more of a subdued start to the week, and there was a sense of the market grappling to find some stability. As the week progressed, there was a major starting fixing from South Brazil to China, and the rates began to dwindle. The North Atlantic looked to be overmarked at the beginning of the week, and eventually we saw a correction, resulting in rather flat market. Transfer to take Shreyas private. Dubai's Transferred Holdings has announced its intention to voluntarily delist the equity shares of its Indian subsidiary Shreyas Shipping and Logistics, a container feeder operator. Transfer cited the enhanced operational flexibility and less costs as reasons to take the box line private. Under Indian stock market rules, Transfer can take the line private once it accrues 90% of the shareholding. It currently controls 70.44%. Rare shipment of US oil heads to South Africa for Glencore refinery. A shipment of US oil is heading to South Africa for the first time in 2 years and is destined for a Cape Town refinery owned by Glencore, which resumed operations after an explosion shut it down in 2020. The data shows vessel tracking and sourced US oil exports hit a record high of 4.5 million barrels a day this year as competitive US product prices and China's reopening after the COVID-19 crisis fueled global oil demand. OPEC chief says oil investments necessary for global energy security. Global spare oil production capacity has shrunk, and the refinery sector is not keeping pace with growing fuel demand, putting the world at risk of future supply crunches, according to OPEC Secretary General Haitham Al-Hais. The industry is in need of significant investment but finds itself in an increasingly challenging financial environment, exacerbated by unhelpful criticism and misguided narratives about fossil fuels, said Hais, who has notably sparred with the International Energy Agency over its criticism of OPEC production cuts and messaging on the future energy mix. The project is being implemented by Machilipatnam Port Development Corporation Limited, a special purpose vehicle floated by the state government. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you liked the video and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.